Hello, friends. After a long time, here I am with a very important portion for us all. I know some of you are already using this one, but it is for others to see and follow to get the benefits, of course. This is flaxseed magic. Yes, indeed, flax seeds are magical. They are gaining popularity for their incredible benefits in keeping the joints fit. If taken as soon as they are ground, whether coarse or powdered, the omega 3 fatty acids in them do work magically. Flax seeds are tiny oil seeds, a very good source of antioxidants, fiber, and anti inflammatory omega 3 fatty acids. Experts advise that flax seeds have to be consumed in the ground form, that too soon after grinding, to get the best benefits of omega 3 fatty acids in them. Because these omega 3 fatty acids in them are very sensitive to light, heat, etc. Also, due to the tough hull of flax seeds, we need to consume them only after grinding. Here is the recipe for this potion for no joint pain. Well, let us list the ingredients for this magic potion. You need half a spoon of flax seeds, 1 spoon of black sesame seeds, 10 to 15 fenugreek seeds approximately, and a pinch of turmeric powder and 5 spoons of curd. Let me repeat these ingredients again. You need half a spoon of flax seeds, 1 spoon of black sesame seeds, 10 to 15 approximately 10 to 15 of fenugreek seeds, a pinch of turmeric powder, and 5 spoons of curds. We have all the ingredients here. Next question would be how to consume it. There are different ways of consuming all these things, either together or separately, but at the same time. Here is one of the ways. As I mentioned earlier, flax seeds need to be powdered, and as we know, fenugreek seeds are hard, so let us add flax seeds and fenugreek seeds to a small mixie jar. Grind it using your kitchen mixer. Add this ground part to the remaining ingredients in a bowl and consume it immediately. Why do we need to consume it immediately? Because of the flax seeds speciality. Flax seeds have to be consumed soon after grinding them to get the best benefits of omega 3 fatty acids. Please remember, moderation is the key whenever we start anything new. This is because each one's system is different. It might respond differently. Within a couple of weeks of regular daily consumption, there will be noticeable improvement in your mobility. In fact, it will have massive impact not only in strengthening your joints, but also on overall bone health. It has helped many of us in our family and friends, and also many more that we know in general. And the extent of improvement is very subjective depending on how regularly you take it and how much your system can accept and respond positively. Even if you are suffering from joint pains for a long, long time and no medicine has given you any complete relief, don't worry at all. It's better late than never to start this natural remedy and experience incremental improvement and permanent improvement every week. A word of caution though, if your system is extremely sensitive, adjust the dosage to a lesser dosage as required, and slowly and incrementally you can reach the above quantity. Okay, let us start using this natural remedy and enjoy the benefits. If navachetana is not in your morning drink, then including at least 1 spoon of cooked ragi flour and a sweet potato in your daily diet would enhance your overall strength and boost your mobility. A link for navachetana can be found in the description, and links for many more such helpful tips are there in this playlist. Let us use the natural method of getting strong body and healthy body and enjoy the benefits of Mother Nature. Have a good day. Bye bye.